Today's lesson is about the alphabet. L'alfabeto. L'alfabeto. A in Italian is A. A. So when you see an A in an Italian word, you always pronounce it as A. No exceptions. B, that's easy. B in Italian as well. C. So not C, but C. D, same. And this is the second trickiest one. Letter E in Italian is E. And that's super important. Every time you see letter E, that's E in Italian. Okay? Perfect. Then we have letter F, 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 G. H is H. H. So do you remember that letter E in Italian is E? Well, letter I in English is letter I in Italian. So E is E in Italian and I in Italian is I. Okay, that's very difficult. I know, at the beginning it's confusing, it's totally normal. Then we have J in Italian as well, but it's a letter that is not really used. Besides from jeans, we don't have many other words that begins or that has a J, okay? K, K, L, L, M is M, M, N, N, O. O. Okay, great. P. P. Q. Q. So you see, like, some letters are pretty similar to the English ones. Sometimes it's just a matter of pronunciation. R. R. S is S. S. T is T. T. U is U. U. V is V. V. Perfect. W is doppia V. If you think about it, that makes sense. This is V. This is doppia V. Okay? That literally means double V in this case. X. X. Great. Y. This is pretty different. Y. Great. Z. Z. Perfect. Awesome. So as I anticipated, that's very important because some letters as A are always pronounced as they look and they sound in the alphabet. So letter A is always pronounced as A. Letter E is always pronounced as E in Italian. Letter I is always pronounced I in Italian. Okay? Perfect. As an exercise, for example, you can try to spell your name. Okay? Perfect. So let's review all these letters all together, but a little bit faster. As usual, please repeat the letters right after me, please. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So for example, if I have to spell my name, I would say C, L, A, U, D, I, A. Here it is. You can do the same. You can try with your name, with your parents' name, with your friends' names, with names of the objects, whatever you want. With the alphabet, it's really a matter of practice. Okay? So I'll leave you to your practice, and I'm going to say your complimenti. Congratulations. So you have just finished your 6th Italian lesson, and I'm very proud of your progress. So see you here for the next lesson, and thank you for being with me. Ciao.